Ano yun eh, STAR. Situation, task, action, result. So yun yung hahanapin ko, no? So what was the situation? The company restructured. What's the task? To reorganize the teams. Reorganize the teams. Make the teams functional despite the loss of several people. What action did you take? Yun. Kasi given yung ST yung A yung importante. What did you do? And what was the result? Hopefully, you can talk about we were able to make adjustments and we were able to hit our new targets in give a specific amount of time. Job interview tips po yun. Ano? Just in case. Pero importante yun, whether it's problem solving or decision making, strategy formulation. A good recruiter will ask you questions that will reveal hindi yung kung anong ginawa ninyo in your previous employment, but rather what your achievements are or work. No? So yan.